Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kidz Duniya. Today in this video we will learn the action verbs. What is action verbs? The word that tells us what the noun or pronoun is doing is called verb. They are also called action words or doing words. Let's start. First is eating, khana. Second, walking, chalna. Third, running, bhagna. Fourth, reading, पढ़ना. Fifth, standing, खड़े होना. Six, clapping, ताली बजाना. Seven, pushing, धकेलना. Eight, pulling, खींचना. Nine, singing, गाना. 10th, dancing, नाचना. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.